In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Reddit history. By history, we're focusing on the posts and comments visible on your Reddit profile. Reddit doesn't offer a single button to erase everything at once, so you'll remove items one by one. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few tips to make the process smooth. First, open your browser and go to reddit.com, then log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the right profile if you manage more than one. Once you're in, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. Click it to open the menu and choose Profile. This takes you to your public profile page where your content is organized. On your profile, you'll see tabs labeled Posts and Comments. Click Post to see everything you've submitted to communities, or switch to Comments to review what you've written under other people's posts. This separation helps you focus on exactly what you want to remove. If you have a lot of activity, consider changing the sort to New, so you can work from the most recent items downward. Next, scroll to find the specific post or comment you want to delete. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one, especially if there are similar titles or repeated replies. When you're sure, look for the three dots, sometimes shown as an overflow menu, next to that post or comment. Click those dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Delete. Reddit will ask you to confirm, so click Delete again to finalize it. This second click prevents accidental removals, which is important because deleted content can't be restored from your profile. Once deleted, a comment may appear as removed in the thread, and a post will no longer be visible under your profile. Keep in mind that while deletion removes the content from Reddit's public surfaces, copies might still exist in third-party archives or screenshots. Repeat the same process for every post or comment you want to remove. Open your profile, choose the Posts or Comments tab, find the item, click the three dots, select Delete, and confirm. There isn't a native bulk delete on Reddit, so working through them methodically is the safest approach. If you don't see the three dots on a particular item, click into the post or thread first. The delete option will appear there as well. When you've finished, refresh your profile to verify the items are gone. That's it. Your Reddit history, one item at a time, cleaned up with confidence.